We're here at Yorktown car show, and I'm gonna do a few of them, split them up a little bit. And this is a '57 Chevrolet, really good shape, really pretty truck. My grandfather had one back in the '60s. Wish I still had it. If I could pull the wheel off the ground. Nice shot, I guess that's what that is. This is a '57 Chevrolet. I say '57, take it back, '55. Can't see them very good because they're kind of crammed in here. It's got a nice motor. I'll be only guessing if I told you what it was. I surely don't. '55 Chevrolet Bel Air. It's got a full roll cage in it. I say you should get up the road. '55 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a '48 Chevrolet panel truck. Looks like the top's been chopped. 4100. A nice motor in it. I have no idea what kind it is, but I know it's a Chevrolet, but I don't know what size it is. It looks nice. '67 Corvette. It's not a split window, but it is a money car. 227, 350 motor. I can get back here and give you a better shot back here.
Well, I mean, if you're gonna buy that wheel for $12, that's fine.
Nice car. It originally come, in '63, it come with a split and in the window. It's hard to see out, so they didn't have them in 1 year because it's hard to see. So those are the money cars, though, with the split in it. All right, that's a lot of motor right there. A lot of no gas mileage too. This is a Camaro. I'll see what year it is. '79 Camaro. Gas guzzler. Next door here we got a 55 Chevrolet pickup truck. 2 4-barrels on it. It's not as bad as gas as the next door neighbor is, but it's not gonna be good on gas either, but it's a pretty truck. I know you was before that. 44 Chevrolet. Very nice. I guess you could say a kind of a Bonnie and Clyde kind of car. So I'm telling you, the people working on this car. 2 4-barrels. Nice interior. Nice. Hot 34. 69 Z28. Let me take that back. 69 SS 396. That's what this one is. We're gonna back up here a little bit. See, the cars are so close together you can't get a good side view. There's a 55 next door. I did one of them last week. Same car. Very pretty car. 69.